Yes, I have this when I got line box. So I got this thing because my sister, which I hated, and wanted the same thing. Too sad I got the same thing. At least she's cute. I mean, I love her hair though. Like, look at her hair. It's like fabulous. Is she going to work? Anyways, can we I want to take out. I want to make her naked. I want to see what. Can we like take out her shirt? Cause yeah. Can I take out? Oh, we can't. We cannot. I want to take out this thing. Oh my god. You have your glasses with you. I hate this. Anyways, that's for all, guys. Please like and subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you to. You can hate if you want. You can do anything if you want. You can copy my videos if you want. It's fine with me. It's just that you don't copy my video too much. And yeah. Anyways, thank you for 92 or 91. I don't know. Subscribers. I'm so happy right now. We're so close to 100. Anyways, I love this thing. So I have to go now. So bye.